Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Once again today I will offer a brief selection from the addresses of Pope Francis. These are collected in a book entitled Believe in Love. The title of today's selection is Recognize the Dignity of Every Human Being. If I encounter a person sleeping outdoors on a cold night, I can view him or her as an annoyance, an idler, an obstacle in my path, a troubling sight, a problem for politicians to sort out, or even a piece of refuse cluttering a public space. Or I can respond with faith and charity and see in this person a human being with a dignity identical to my own, a creature infinitely loved by the Father, an image of God, a brother or sister redeemed by Jesus Christ. That is what it is to be a Christian. Can holiness somehow be understood apart from this lively recognition of the dignity of each human being?